Hello guys, welcome back to this page. Let's get started with today's video. So for your first start, you are going to use a paintbrush like this. Take a paintbrush and after that, spread the color palettes as shown on this black sheet. Make the pattern as shown. With the help of a paintbrush, you have to make the petals of this flower in this unique manner. Make sure that you should note the movement of this paintbrush in a unique and exact manner so that you can get an appropriate flower like this. Now highlight them, and after highlighting them with the paintbrush, you can see that the floral looking of this flower is complete. Now take the another palette color, and after that you can start drawing the pedicle, and this flower is made like this. Now again with the paintbrush we are going to make this floral bud in this manner. See how it is being made. Now copy the steps as shown and note the movement of the paintbrush exactly as shown in the video. After doing that, you have to make the leaves of this flower and give it a complete look with the help of your paintbrush. Now first draw the leaves and then start coloring it with the help of your paintbrush with different colors. As you can see that the outlook of this flower looks very great. Now insert some yellow colors in between, and some petals are to be made on the black sheet as shown in this video. After this you can see how majestic it looks. For your next step, you have to make a stem like this with the help of your paintbrush. After doing that, you can make lines or branches as shown. Now complete the process and start making these leaves and flowers on this tree as shown in this video. Complete the outline or the drawing of your flowers as shown in the video. Make sure to make this flower in a precise manner so that they will give you a look of majestic expression. See how easily they are made. Now you have to take the black sheet and you have to start making the green leaves and the patterns of the other flowers like this on this sheet. Now after making leaves and the floral patterns on the sheet like this, you can definitely get the end result like this. Make sure you use the color palettes of your choice or as shown in the video. See how beautiful this flower and the leaves along with it looks. Now make a stand like this, then complete the outlook of your petals as shown in the video. After doing that, you can see how beautifully these petals and flowers are being made exact manner like this. After doing that, see how this floral bud looks on the center of this plant. Make another floral bud and you are done. Take your paintbrush and start making this imprint of a next flower like this. Now you have to scroll down your paintbrush in this exact manner and change colors accordingly as per your need. See, you are done with this. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.